Welcome back. Goa International Travel Mart 2011 kicked off from Friday in Panji. This three-day event will have a power-packed schedule. Tourism Minister Nilkanth Halankar announced that a high-power task force has been constituted to focus on prime requirements of tourism. Over 28 countries have participated in this mart. The mart will conclude on 23rd October.
The government has created high-power task force which will focus on the prime priorities of the tourism industries like infrastructure, technology and transport and other tourism-related issues.
Goa International Travel Mart 2011 kicked off on Friday in Panji. The event will be held from 21st to 23rd October. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Tourism Minister Nilkanth Halankar, Director of Tourism Swapnil Naik, CII President Ralph D'Souza, TTAG President Gaurish Don, GTDC President Mangirish Pairaikar and others were present. Inder Sharma, the chairman of Select Group, was the key speaker. Sharma explained the 5 A's necessary for progress in tourism: accessibility, acceptability, affordability, accountability and auditability.
Whether it is people coming from outside the state or the people who are in the state, whether it is hoteliers, whether it is taxi operators, whether it is guides, whether it is shopkeepers, please keep a good eye on managing the acceptability for the tourist.
Digambar Kamath said that responsible tourism is needed in the state.
I would also add to this a responsible tourism. I think it is the responsibility of the tourists who come to Goa to behave responsibly, to see that the feelings and the sentiments of the local people are not hurt. And it is our responsibility also to see Atithi Devo Bhava. Don't go by the reports. Come to Goa if you want to see whether Goa is safe or not. Come to Goa, stay in Goa, and then you will realize what Goa is.
A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilgar with video journalist Onkar Farari.
Chogle College has decided to shut down their prestigious and merit-oriented higher secondary section. This has come as a shock to the people in South Goa, as the higher secondary is considered as the best in the entire region. The management has clarified that the college section will continue and they will focus more on job-oriented courses.
Principal of Chogle College, Dr. R.V. Gaonkar, maintained that higher secondary section was proving additional for the present infrastructure. Gaonkar said that key reason to scrap higher secondary was lack of freedom to decide curriculum. Chogle management has applied to Goa Education Board asking for closure under Rule 33. Goa Board has rejected the plea and has asked for a valid reason. Principal Dr. Gaonkar cleared some of the rumors floating about Chogle College.
See, what people have been talking about that we have submitted the application to close the higher secondary phase-wise. Now next year college will be closing the arts section also. This is all wrong information. We have not even thought of closing the higher secondary. I don't think so. We will think of closing the college arts section.
Okay, you are going to affiliate with a foreign.
See, this is another thing. Somebody said that we are going to get affiliated to some foreign university. This is also totally wrong.
Chogle College plans to provide job-oriented courses in future.
What we are looking for mainly, we need to provide a sort of a job-oriented or employment-oriented courses to the students. So that is what we are looking for. And our undergraduate students also, we would like to equip them with more and more employability skills.
Dr. Gaonkar said that he is not aware about any objection filed by any teacher.
Some of teacher of higher secondary submitted objection letter to education department regarding this issue.
I am not aware of that. I am not aware.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Goa Police paid tribute to police and para-military personnel who died while in service. Homage was paid to 634 policemen who died on duty during last year all over India. Police Commemoration Day parade was held at the police headquarters in the presence of all top officials along with some of the retired cops.
The Director General of Police, Dr. Aditya Arya, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav, Inspector General of Police Sanjay Singh, Deputy Inspector General of Police Ravindra Yadav, along with all SPs and DYSPs, PIs and other staff members were present for the ceremony. A wreath-laying ceremony was held at the Martyrs Column, where floral tribute were paid to those killed in the line of duty. The function was followed by Salami Shastra.
बहादुरी से सामना करते हुए वीर गति को प्राप्त हुए। उनकी याद में हम सब पूरे देश में 21 अक्टूबर को शहीदी दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं और अपने शहीदों को श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करते हैं।
DGP read out names of all 634 police and paramilitary personnel who laid down their lives on duty during last year in India. However, Home Minister Ravi Naik did not remain present for the ceremony. DGP said that government takes care of entire family of Army, Navy, RAF personnel if they lose their loved ones on duty, but policemen do not get this care.
It's not like army where the army and CAPF they look after everything. But here अभी वो चीज़ मतलब because there are no martyrs ऐसा तो nothing can be said, but अभी ऐसा कुछ ground पर है नहीं जहाँ पर कह सकें कि अगर आदमी किसी की death हो गया in the line of duty then the family is taken care of. But in case of Army, Navy, Air Force, even CAPF, ये लोग जो है इनका तो बहुत मतलब they have an elaborate arrangement, elaborate process you can say. But अभी गोवा पुलिस का हमें देखना.
A reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sarvesh Reuskar for Prudent Media.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.